In front of me is Oppo A5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme. When it's ready, launch it. Mute the music by tapping at the bottom left corner. Choose Consent. To access settings, click at the top left corner, and to set up this wallpaper, top right corner and bottom right corner. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper, yes, hit Apply, decide where, and then confirm your choice by hitting Apply at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!